Hello, so this is my smart restaurant system that I developed for the custom program code 7.3 according to my program pitch that I've given in 6.3. So for that, I'm going to select the current directory at the terminal first. Then I'm going to build the program. And then I'm going to run it on the terminal. So this is the user interface that I've built for my smart restaurant system, where I've created some demo logins, which uh, I've created some customer ID for Alex and Priya is 101 and 102, and then I've created a customer ID for Jamie. Sorry, Jamie is a staff. This is a staff ID 201, and the manager is Mahabuba Nusrat. I created it 301 for her. So let's start with how the whole system will work. So first, let's say I'm the customer. I'm Alex. So if I want to access the system, I need to log in with my ID. So Alex's ID is 101, so I'll press 101. So as an customer, the system will show welcome Alex chain is a greeting message. Then the customer interface will be the how much loyalty points he has. Currently he has 0 loyalty points because he has not created any order. So he can see the menu at view menu, he can see the previous order history, and he can log out from the system. So if I press 1, I can see the whole menu. So this is the whole menu for the restaurant, which we have mains, margarita pizza, spaghetti carbonara, Caesar salad. There are some sides, garlic bread, fries. There is a drink, sparkling water, Coca-Cola, and dessert tiramisu. There is all the dollar as the price of the product. So the customer can see the whole menu. Customer can check the previous order history. Currently he has no order history, so there will be nothing, or no past orders, and he can log out from the system. So if I press 3, we'll log out. So now there is an they will ask for the user ID. So let's say as an Alex chain, I want to create an order. So for that, Jamie, the staff, needs to log in, or the manager. So let's guess Jamie will log into the system now. So login ID for Jamie is 201. So as a staff, Jamie can see this user interface. There is view menu. Jamie can also view the menu. Jamie can place and edit orders. Jamie can view current orders. Jamie can process payment, and Jamie can see which tables are free and occupied. So let's first check how many tables are free and occupied right now. Currently there is no customer, so all the tables are free. So if I press 5, I can see table 1 to table 10, all the tables are free. If we want to reserve a table, we can pick the table number here and we can reserve it. So that will be a different system conversation. Let's say table 7 I want to reserve, so I can reserve the table because table 7 is reserved. So now Alex chain is want to place an order, so Jamie will press 2. So customer ID is for Alex chain, so which is 101, and there is no existing order, so we'll just press keep it blank for now. And which table we want to pick for Alex, let's pick table 7, But if we pick table 7, we already reserved the table 7 for another customer, so we cannot pick table 7 in this case. Table 7 is not free, so we cannot proceed with this process, so we need to start it. So let's say place order, customer ID 101, existing order, there is no existing order, so table, let's say 6. Now we can create an order. The order number is 1001, table is 6, and the table status is open, so no item is added yet in the order. So for to add an item, we need to press A. Menu item. Previously we have already checked, this is the menu. So these are all the items, menu item. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So let's say we want to order spaghetti carbonara and fries and a coke. So we need to add 2, 5 and 7 ID. So menu item 2, quantity 1. So you can see the item is added. So another item I want to add is the fries. Menu item 5. Quantity, I want to order 1, but let's say the staff mistakenly added 2 quantity of fries, but the customer is wanting 1 fries, so we need to press R to remove item. Menu item to ID to remove is 5 fries. Quantity, I want to remove 1 item. So now 1 fries has been removed and there is only 1 fries. So what more we need to add? We need to add a Coke. We need to add a Coke. Coke's ID is 7. 1 Coke, and that's it. That's the total order. Total price is $31.50. So now we are press B to back. So after that we can press 3 to see which orders are current. So the Alex chain order is ongoing right now. So after placing an order, the last process is to getting the payment. So choose 4 for process payment. The order ID is 1001. So we need to press this 1001. Payment method, either cash or card. Let's say card for 2. We need to input a card number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So contacting bank for 31 on card declined, payment failed. So process payment, order ID 1001. Let's say card 1 2 3 4 5 6. So contacting bank for this is approved, payment is complete. So we can, this way we can pay using our card. So the whole order is complete. Now if we press 3, we can also see the current order. There is no open orders because the order has been completed. So after that, let's say we want to place another order. This is for Priya. So there is no existing order. Table is 3 because 6 and 7 is already blocked. So what item we want to, let's say we want to order a pizza and a water. This is the order for Priya. The order ID is 1002. So now we will process to the payment 1002, and we're gonna pay using cash. Amount due 23. Payment is completed. So if we press now manage tables, choose 5, you can see table 7 is still reserved, but other tables are free. Now let's say the previous order of Alex Chain now also wants to order a garlic bread to her previous order. So what we need to do is we need to go to customer ID 101, existing order. So this was the existing order for Alex Chain is 1001, and now we want to add a garlic bread here. That is garlic bread is at menu item 4, quantity 2. But we could not add because the order has been closed. The status is paid. See, this is why we cannot add a new item. If we want to add a new item to his order, we need to create a new order because the previous order is paid. If we want to add a new item here, then he'll have to pay the whole price for the previous food items again that he has already been paid. So this is the user interface for Jamie, and if the manager Mahabuba Nusrat wants to log in into the system, she will log in using her ID number, which is 301. So Mahabuba Nusrat logged in as a manager on the use manager menu. So the manager also can do all the stuffs the stuffs can do. She can also place and edit orders. She can see which are the current orders. If she presses 3, there is no open orders because Alex Chen and Priya, all those orders have been paid. She can also see the manage tables. The only thing she can do extra than the staff, that she has an admin panel. She can access to the admin panel. So what the admin panel does, the admin panel will let you add menu item. She can toggle item availability. So let's say it's a busy day and the fries are over. There is no more fries left in the restaurant. So she can access the admin panel and she can make the fries unavailable from the menu. So let's say we choose 2, item ID. As far as I remember, number 5 is item ID 5. So fries is now unavailable. So if we press back and if we see the menu now, you can see the fries is unavailable in the menu. It will update in the menu section. The manager also add a new menu item. So let's say chicken biryani. The manager wants to add this new item onto the menu. The price, let's say $20. And the category is main. So chicken biryani has been added to the menu. So now if we go back and if we check the menu, you can see chicken biryani is added in the main section as $20, which is the item ID as 9. She can also check remove menu items. She can totally remove a menu item from a menu. She can also check the reports, which is the revenue reports. Let's say choose 4. So she can see the daily report. There has been 2 order, one from Alex and one from Priya. The 2 order has been generated $54.50 revenue. The total menu item is 9, and 9 out of the 10 tables are free because one table has been reserved. So this is the whole restaurant system I've developed. I can also add some new features, I'm thinking, but due to time constraints I cannot add all the features. So this, if we press 7, we can log out. To quit the program, we need to press Q, and that will close our system. So thank you for watching my presentation. Bye.